Hi guys, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to put a logo into your videos and some text, like if you wanted to say subscribe and like into your videos, I can teach you how to do that. So if you want to put a logo, let's say this is your logo. I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. This works with 2019 and like that as well. I'm not sure if it works with 2018, but I know it works with this. We're gonna be putting it at the top because we need to put a text here. Uh, so let's say you wanted your logo to be here for like all of your video, yeah? Gonna like double tap it, so you press it, yeah? You double tap it, and then use this arrow right here that comes up when you like these dots. What you're gonna do is just move it any way you want. So let's say I wanted my logo to be that big, right? Here, and my for text you just do this there. That's it. You come here, you select it, then you come here anywhere you want. Let's say we wanted it right beside our imaginary logo right here. Type right here and then put in subscribe and like. Once you're done with that, all you need to do is go back to this. That's it. Then you can like make it as big as you want or small as you want. But we're just gonna make it like normal sized. Put it right here. And then there. Uh, right there. We're gonna make it all like this. So all video. But if you want it like here for like a temporary part of your video, let's say like halfway in, you wanted your text to come in and you wanted your uh, logo to come in, drag it down here. It will just come in like that. Now, for instance, see the video now. See, there's no logo, there's no nothing until bam, halfway into the video, it will come in, and then it will go in 3, 2, 1, pop, and then it's not here anymore. Please subscribe and share and like. Enjoy.